Dead. So that's what I'm doing a story time. So I get TikTok videos or whatever. So my aunt recently passed away. It's been like, 2 years. Oh, so my aunt was diagnosed with cancer. My aunt was diagnosed with cancer. And, she lost her hair. She lost her hair. She had eggs and just that right. So, so I she was in the hospital or whatever, and she had breathing machines down her mouth. She had breathing machines, and then she had two down her mouth because she could barely eat. So she beat cancer. COVID came, and my aunt was already sick. My aunt, mind you, my aunt was already sick from cancer. So COVID came, and her immune system will take it off. So she died from she died from COVID-19. And it's been hard. It's been hard because like holidays won't be the same without her. She was like the fun spirit. And yeah, I mean like really I gotta get it. I got pictures in there. And I don't really talk about this, so I'm talking right now. But volume J2, and I don't know if volume J3 or not. So, like, comment, subscribe.